So I'm just going to name sheet to, I'll call it iron. Iron. Okay. Now to set up the table, just place the borders. Okay, and we have some data. The purity is 67.4%, and I'm going to input that as 67.4 and write the percent symbol, like so. And the total mass of the sample is in grams, less than a gram. So the amount of iron is total mass times the purity measured in percent, the mass times the purity. Now I'll just form that to 3 significant figures. And present the percentage value like so. And that completes the work for sheet number 2.